GreenTech Energy Systems introduces the 6-inch LED Recessed Downlight, which is designed for both residential and commercial applications. This LED downlight consumes only 15 watts and delivers excellent brightness of up to 1050 lumens with high efficacy. This makes it a great replacement, 75-watt incandescent, up to 80% energy saving. It also features 5 selectable color temperatures, ranging from 2700K to 5000K, so you can choose the right light color before installation to suit your space. With TRIAC dimming, instant start technology, and flicker-free, silent performance, it delivers a smooth and comfortable lighting experience. The 26-socket adapter, which comes with bulb, allows for quick installation in existing recessed cans. The high-quality LED beads give you a minimum of 50,000 hours of lighting. Furthermore, our LED downlights are ETL and ES certified for safety and quality control. For more information or to place an order, please visit our website www.greenlightdepot.com or contact GreenTech Energy Systems today.